For the filling, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 medium potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup heavy cream, a 1/4 cup beef broth or water, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 sheet of puff pastry. For the homemade creamy herb sauce, use a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 garlic clove, minced, juice of half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley. Start by boiling the diced potatoes in salted water for about 10 minutes or until soft when pierced with a fork. Drain and set aside. In a skillet, heat olive oil and sauté onions until soft and golden. Add the ground beef and cook until browned and crumbly. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Pour in a 1/4 cup beef broth and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to soak up the flavor. Then stir in the boiled potatoes, followed by the heavy cream. Let it bubble slightly before adding both shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheeses. Stir until melted and creamy. The mixture should be smooth, thick, and glossy. Line your pie dish with puff pastry. Spoon in the cheesy beef and potato filling, and cover with another layer of pastry. Press the edges to seal, brush with a beaten egg for shine, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden and flaky. While it bakes, whisk together mayonnaise, sour cream, minced garlic, lemon juice, and parsley until smooth. That's your creamy herb sauce. Light, tangy, and fresh against the rich pie. For the side, make crispy garlic potato bites. Dice 2 small potatoes into cubes. Toss with olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and parsley. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or air fry until crisp and golden. They come out buttery, garlicky, and perfectly crunchy on the edges. And for the drink, blend 1 cup fresh strawberries with 1 tablespoon sugar, juice of 1 lemon, and 1½ cups cold water. Strain, pour over ice, and garnish with lemon slices for a sweet, tangy strawberry lemonade that cools every bite. Serve everything together. Cheesy golden pie, crispy garlic bites, and that cold strawberry lemonade sparkle. And there you have it, an easy, creamy dinner you'll never forget. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more comforting recipes like this. See you in the next fun food story.